select the rectangle tool. Select No Color for the fill. And pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 1 point. Press Shift and create a square. Make the corners a little bit rounder. Double-click on one of these points. Select Inverted Round for all the corners. Drag the point all the way to the center. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Make the horizontal scale 95% and the vertical scale 94%. Make the angle 3 degrees. Increase the amount of copies until the spiral is finished. You can also use an angle of -3 degrees to make the spiral spin the other way. And that's how you create this spiral.